Hello students, I Sheetal Baria from Saraswati International Academy welcome you to the science class. Chapter 1 Part 5. Answer the following in one sentence. Question number 1. What are the nutrients? The components of food which are necessary for our body are called nutrients. Question number 2. From where do humans and other animals obtain their food? Humans and other animals obtain their food from plants and other animals. That means they are totally dependent on the plants. Question number 3. Which substances are required for the process of photosynthesis? Chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water are the substances required for the process of photosynthesis. Question number 4. What are the stomata? Tiny pores which are invisible to our eyes, naked eyes, present on the upper and lower surface of leaves are called stomata. Question number 5. What is starch? Starch is one kind of carbohydrate. It is a complex form of carbohydrate. Question number 6. What is the function of green pigment? Answer. The function of the green pigment is to absorb solar energy from sunlight for photosynthesis, and this green pigment is also called as chlorophyll. Question number 7. What is cuscuta? Cuscuta is a leafless parasitic plant with yellow stem growing on any host tree. Question number 8. What is called an insectivorous plant? A plant fulfilling its nitrogen containing food deficiency. That means it tries to fulfill means it tries to absorb nitrogen from other sources by capturing and digesting insect. It captures and digests insect, and so it is called as insectivorous plant. Question number 9. Where do absorbed water and mineral solution by root transported? Answer. Absorbed water and mineral solution by root is transported to branches of stem and leaves. Question number 10. Which solution is used for the test of starch? Iodine solution is used for the test of starch. Question number 11. Where are the fungi found? Fungi can be found on stale roti, stale bread, pickles, leather articles, moist clothes, etc. Question number 12. Write the chemical equation of the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll give carbohydrates plus oxygen. Question number 13. What is the function of guard cells? Guard cells control the process of opening and closing the stomata. Guard cells, they are surrounding the stomata, the tiny pores present on the leaves, and they control the process of opening and closing. Question number 14. Give examples of insectivorous plants. Pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, Drosera, Utricularia, etc. are the examples of insectivorous plants. Question number 15. Pitcher plant is green and perform photosynthesis, then why does it feed on insects? A big question. Answer. Pitcher plant grows in nitrogen deficit soil, so it does not get enough nitrogen from soil. So to fulfill nitrogen requirement, it feeds on insects. Question number 16. Mention the modification and function of leaf and stem in desert plant. Answer. In the desert plant, leaves are modified as sacal or the spine-like for to reduce the loss of water. To reduce the loss of water by transpiration, and stem become green for to perform photosynthesis. That means they live in the desert area and there is scarcity of water, and so to reduce the loss of water they have the spine like leaves, and also to perform photosynthesis they have the green color. Next question. Question number 5. Define. Number 1. Nutrition. A process of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. That means the living organisms, they take in food. They take the food and they use it for its growth. Question number 2. Photosynthesis. A process by which green plants utilize carbon dioxide and water to synthesize their food in presence of sunlight and with the help of chlorophyll. It is called photosynthesis. Question number 3. Autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms synthesize, that is make their food by themselves from simple substances, is called autotrophic nutrition. And the best example is the plants, the green plants. Question number 4. Heterotrophic organisms. The mode of nutrition in which the organisms depend on plant or animals for their food requirement are called heterotrophic organisms. That means they depend on the plants or animals. Question number 4. Parasitic organism. An organism that depends on living organism for their nutrition is known as parasitic organism. It depends on the plant on which it grows. It is known as the host. So what is a host? An organism on which parasite depends for nutrition is called a host. So the parasitic organism, they depend on the host for its nutrition. Next question. Saprophytic plant. A plant that obtains nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called saprophytic plant. The best example is the fungus. Next, give points of difference between number 1, autotrophic organism, heterotrophic organism. Now, first point, autotrophic prepare their own food, and that is they prepare it by themselves, whereas the heterotrophic are unable to prepare their food. They depend totally on plants and other animals for their food. Second point, the autotrophic have green color pigment called chlorophyll. Heterotrophs, they do not have the green colored pigment. Next, Second one, algae, fungi. Algae are autotrophic, whereas fungi are heterotrophic. They may be saprophytic or parasitic. Second one, chlorophyll is present in the algae, and in fungus chlorophyll is absent. Match the items given in column A with those in column B. First one, in column A, Cuscuta. Cuscuta is an example of parasitic plant. Pitcher plant is an example of insectivorous plant. Mushroom is an example of saprophytic plant, whereas algae is an example of autotrophic plant.